All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to WITV, Wingate Invest and Trade Vibes. We're gonna get straight into it. This is the XNG trade that I took. I actually could have, I don't know if I would have blew my account or what, but I had a point zero 0.05, and I was in it actually for a buy. And I seen some things that I do want to discuss with y'all. Maybe y'all can be on the lookout, because we all trying to get in this market right now. Um, and yeah, so let's get straight into it. Market opened up Sunday, August the 10th, and just looking at everything, what I drew currently right now, we are at a weekly support. And so looking at these last two candles, I'm like, man, okay, I'm seeing what's going on. Um, looking at the daily right now, and it's like, man, look at these candles here. You got the sellers coming in, smacking stuff, but for some reason they ain't break through, right? I'm seeing these small, candles that's coming in here. Again, guys, you want to go over your candlesticks. Look at price action. It tells a story. It tells you what's up. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna be looking for a buy with XNG. And so coming down to the 4 hour, I don't trade on Sundays. I wait for the daily to close for Monday. And let's see. I think just go back real quick. Excuse me. So I print this just like it did the other time. So I'm like, okay, time to take advantage because it's gonna come all the way up here. You know what I mean? Why not? And so let's see when I hopped in. Let's see. I'm gonna go straight down to the 30 minute. Actually, I hopped in on a 3 minute with this one. And so must have drew this on. There was certain candlesticks, so I drew a box around it. And let's zoom in a little bit here. I think I'm not sure exactly where I hopped in at, guys, but actually it was somewhere. Let's see. I'm gonna go down to the 3 minute. I noticed that this was a 15-minute gap. I drew a box right here as well. And let's go down to the 3 minute, see what I was taking a look at. Man, gets a little choppy here, but honestly, even on the higher time frames, it really looks the same. I'm not sure. That's why I think it's good to record everything right on the go instead of me doing it at the end of the week. I'm gonna try to do better with that, guys. I be super busy, to be honest with, school work and studying, trying to find a balance with time and everything. So I do apologize there, but I know I got in somewhere right here, right? And so what I want you to pay attention to is just tracking your well, for me tracking my sell, my buy, excuse me. Gosh, man, I might need a cup of coffee. Um, so it busts through this. I see you see here, this is a resistance. So it busts through here. Okay, strong. It retests with this candle, right? It's bearish, but it's a pin bar. Sellers push this candle down, but they end up pushing it back up, right? So you seeing all this going on. So I drew a resistance here because this is where the candle broke out at, right? And it actually gapped up. And the gaps must be filled. The gaps must be filled, right? So I hopped in for a buy because I know at least you're going to cover this. And in my eyes, that I thought it was going to, pull back a little bit and take off. But I started seeing this. This was on Monday. I'm like, okay, cool. Actually, it was a 2 day trade actually, too, by the way. So when I seen this, I said, hey, I'm not gonna panic. I see here I drew a kind of trend line on a 5 minute. That way I can go ahead and track selling pressure. Right. So I'm like, yo, I'm not gonna panic. I'm not getting out. You got this here. It might come back and touch this. But that's fine. That's fine. And boom, it broke out again, right? You see here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, final push, that low, boom, it breaks out. So I said, okay, staying in. All of a sudden, for the next day, Oh, not even the next day. I know this was a 2 day trade though for me, but I seen it push up here again. And then once it made this like right here, I said, man, I need to get out. So I got out for $20. Um, and for some reason too, and that was another thing. I switched over to my another account because the spread was terrible, y'all. You hear me? Terrible. Where I got down here, right? I'm looking at my trading view. And then when I get to MT4, I was like somewhere up here. So I was in major drawdown. I was so mad. So be mindful, I would say, of your spreads for your broker, right? And you might want to just really, mark up charts on your trading view, but take the trade, like also look at your trading platform of the broker that you're using and look at their spreads. And then if price keep rejecting a certain area, get out because I remember seeing a 1 hour and I seen a lot of wicks. That's another thing I wanted to like I seen this right here, I seen wicks. See, yeah, just get out. If it keep hitting a certain level, just get out. Seriously. Um, so yeah, that's what I wanted to show y'all. Actually, it was the 4 hour. It was the 4 hour. I seen these wicks. I think this was like, yeah, somewhere over here. I know it fell into Tuesday and I got out. So I just want y'all to be aware that if Price gonna tell you a story, pay attention to it. All right. So hopefully this is insightful. No, I need to get better um at some of this, man. But y'all bear with me, man. I just want to share and document my journey. Y'all take care, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.